Hello guys, I am Sagar Sonon and today I am going to discuss about the drug targeting, means biochemical classes of the drug targeting and the cell receptor. What is the cell receptor and its functions, and all information related to the cell receptor. Okay, so drug targeting are the molecules, or the biological structures in the body that the drug interact with to produce the therapeutic effect. Okay, those drug can be classified into the several biochemical classes based on their nature and the functions. Okay, so here here are the some major biochemical classes of the drug target. Okay, they, they are the key players that the drug aim to the interact with to produce the therapeutic effect. Okay, so proteins. Okay, so first is a protein. Majority of the drug targets are the protein, such as enzymes and the receptors. Okay, in the enzymes are the protein that catalyze the specific biochemical reactions in the body, and drug can target enzymes to either the inhibit, means antagonize, and the activate, means the agonist the biochemical or the enhance their activity. Okay, for example, statins are used, or they can target to the HMG CoA reductase enzyme to lower the cholesterol level in the body. Okay, next is the receptor. Receptor are the proteins that bind to the signaling molecules like the hormones and neurotransmitter. A drug can act as an antagonist and the agonist, agonist means the activating, and antagonist means the inhibiting at the receptor. Okay, so enzymes, beta blockers are the target to the beta adrenergic receptor to reduce the heart rate. Okay, then nucleic acid. In the nucleic acid, DNA and the RNA can majorly they can target to the drug. Okay, DNA, some drug that target to the DNA to inhibit its replications, which is a common approach in the cancer chromotherapy. For example, cisplatin and doxorubicin, those can are used in the treatment of the cancer. Okay, as a use in the cancer chromotherapy. RNA drugs can target to the specific RNA molecules such as the mRNA to interfere with the protein synthesis. And next is the lipid, like the phospholipid. Drug can target lipid components of the cell membrane to disturb their functions, disturb their structure and the function. Some antibiotics like polymyxins, they target the bacterial cell membrane. And next is the carbohydrate. In the carbohydrate, glycoprotein and glycolipids. Okay, some drug can target to the glycolipid and glycoprotein on the cell surface, in often in the context of the immune responses modulations or the cancer therapy. Okay, metabolites. Drug can target to the specific molecules within the metabolic pathway, disrupting the cellular processes. Okay, so example, that is a methoxyrate targeting the dihydrofolate reductase in the folate pathway. Okay, then next is the structural element like the cytoskeleton. Drug can target to the components of the cytoskeleton, such as the microtubules and the actin, to interfere with the cell division or the motility. Cell membrane protein, like the ion channel, drug can modulate activity of the ion channel in the cell membrane, influencing ion flow and the cellular exhibit. Example, they can include a calcium channel blocker and the sodium channel opener. Okay, त्याच्यानंतर viral protein are the elements and the structural protein, that is a antiviral drugs often target specific viral protein required for the replication or the assembly, such as the protease inhibitor or the neurotransmitter inhibit for the influenza. Okay, and the hormones and the growth factor, endogenous molecule drugs can target to the modulating their effect for the insulin or the growth hormone analogs. Okay, so those are the some biochemical classes of the drug target. Continue to explore the new drug targets and the approaches to address the various diseases or the conditions. Okay, so now we can discuss about the cell receptor. What is a cell receptor? Cell receptor are the cellular micromolecules whose function to recognize and respond the chemical signals respond to the chemical signal. Okay, means receptor are the molecules or the macromolecules whose function to recognize or the respond to the chemical signals. Okay, so receptor, they are introduced by the three theories. Okay, first is the occupation theory in 1983, this can be introduced. Next is the red theory in 1968, this theory can be introduced. And next is the two steps receptor theory, this theory can be introduced in the 1983. Okay, receptor are classified into four types. First is the GPCR, second is a ligand gated ion channel, third is a enzyme link receptor, and fourth is a nuclear receptor. Okay, so first we can discuss about the ligand gated ion channel. Those are the inotropic receptor, typically receptor on which the neurotransmitter can act. Time scale is a millisecond, location is a membrane, and effector is a ion channel coupling direct. Example, nicotinic receptor is GABA receptor and glutamate receptor. Next is the GPCR receptor, that is a G protein coupled receptor, that is a metabotropic or the helical receptor. Those are the longest family. Majorly 50% of the drug can bind to the GPCR receptor, that is a G protein coupled receptor. The time scale is the second, location is a membrane, effector is a channel or the enzymes coupling to the G protein. Example is adrenoreceptor, histamine or the peptides. Okay, next is the enzyme link receptor. Those are the large heterogeneous group of the responding to mainly to the protein mediators. Time scale is hours, location is a membrane, effector is a protein kinase coupling to the direct, and example is a insulin and cytokine. And next is a nuclear receptor. Nuclear receptor is a regulate gene transcription. Time scale is a hours, location is a intracellular, effector is a gene transcriptions and coupling via the DNA. Example is the steroid hormone or the thyroid hormone. Okay, in today's video we can discuss about the drug target, what is the drug target, and we can discuss about the cell receptor, what is the cell receptor, its theory, and all information to related to the cell receptor. So thank you.